Hello everyone. I am Amber, your host for today. In today's video, we will learn how to create a patch policy. Let us understand by an example. I want to patch the security update for my asset. So let's create a policy for this missing patch. Click on Automation menu. Select Patch from the drop-down menu. Add policy. Let's provide a policy name and description. Since this is a Windows patch update, I am going to select Operating System. We can select third party if we wish to apply patch or upgrade software other than OS updates. In Select Patches, Products. This lists down all the operating system products. We can also include and exclude the category as per the requirement. Product family. This is more like a category or grouping of the products under a single rooftop. We can also include and exclude the category as per the requirement. Patches are the individual patches. If we wish to apply any specific patch, we can also search by patch name and KB number. Now, how do I identify which patch type I need to select for my asset? We can easily identify the patching details of an asset from the Missing Patches tab. Since I want to patch the security update for my asset, I have selected Product Family as Windows and include only security updates. Selected my asset. I would like to apply this patch policy now. Hence I have selected Run Now. We can also schedule the patch policy as required. The Post-Installation tab allows us to configure the behavior of the asset post-installation of the patch. Some patch requires a reboot post-installation, whereas some don't. The reboot behavior can be identified from the Missing Patches tab. The missing patch for my asset requires a reboot. Also, I don't want to schedule the reboot. Hence, I have selected Reboot after install. Prompt user configures the notification of the reboot prompt to the user. Maintenance mode restricts the execution of other jobs like monitoring, scripting, scanning, post-reboot of the asset. I have set the reboot deadline to 1 day. This means we can configure the asset to reboot forcefully or terminate the policy execution after the reboot deadline is over. I have set the prompt frequency to 10 minutes. This means in every 10 minutes, I will get a prompt to reboot the asset or postpone for later. In case the user does not respond to the reboot deadline of 24 hours, the asset has been configured to reboot forcefully. The user will get a final prompt before forcefully reboot of the asset. But this prompt will not allow the user to postpone the reboot. This is simply a notification to the user. Failure to respond to this prompt within 10 minutes. The asset will reboot forcefully. We can also customize the reboot prompt message. In additional settings, we can configure alerts for patching. We can configure the assets to stay alive during the patching process. We can configure force patching from out of patch window, after assets come back online after a configurable time period. The patching window defines the time frame at which the patch should be executed. I have set the patching window to 3 hours. That means that the newly discovered patches will also be applied within the allotted 3 hours of patching time, following the completion of the previous patch. This is also termed as recursive patching. After defining all the settings, click Save. You will receive a successful completion pop-up. The patch policy has been created and ready to be applied on the asset. We created this patch policy at the company level. Similarly, from global settings, a global administrator can create a patch policy at global level. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please follow the social media pages for more updates on Beak.